So you can probably guess what this video is by the thumbnail, the title and this box. So yep, I finally have an exhaust for my MT09-SP, and of course it's an Akrapovic. So yeah, in case you're wondering, and I even have the top to go with it. So yeah, as I was saying, in case you're wondering why I went for Akra, as a brand I had a full system titanium similar to this one on my MT07, and obviously I know how good they are. My dad has an MT09 with the same exhaust. I know it passes noise tests for track days with the baffling, so it just seemed the logical way to go, and I know how good they sound, and they definitely do. I do without a doubt think this is the best, one of the best, or if not the best exhaust for the MT series altogether, because the 07 one is absolutely brilliant, and again I do think that is the best one on the market for the 07, and similar for this. So yeah, I got it from Performance Parts. I'm pretty sure most of you have heard who they are. Massive distributor in performance parts, and obviously Akrapovic, they supply them. They're the UK distributor, so I got it from there. So yeah, I'm really excited to get this on. So as per usual, we'll do a fitting video. It's going pretty dark right now because summer is over and we have like till 7 o'clock till it goes dark. So I've got home from work today, obviously couldn't wait to get this fitted any longer, so we're doing it tonight. So yeah, hope this is a good video, and obviously we're having a little bit of a break from the trickster videos, but they will be back, and obviously they'll be back better as well. So yeah, obviously I'll have a few videos to follow this as well, you know, like ride bys and sound videos, obviously, because it's going to sound epic and I already know it. So yeah, can't wait to get going, so let's go. There is another bit as well. I have been offered several exhausts free of charge, but unfortunately this is my bike and I want to put on it what I want to put on. I want it to be exactly what I want, whether it's free or not. I would rather pay the money for this and have exactly what I want on my bike. So that's not me being a snob or ungrateful, it's just I want what I want. It's my bike and I want the best. Of course, this is the end can. We've got the full titanium. This basically the same what was on my MT07. The new one, I think this one's, I'm pretty sure this one's discontinued now, but the new one has the carbon on the tip, but I actually prefer this one because again it's similar to what I had on the MT07, and this is the exact one I want, and luckily Performance Parts had it in stock, so really happy with my choice. And we've got the coloured logo because on my MT07 I had the like grey sort of, I don't want to say airbrushed logo, I'm not sure, it was like laser etched, you couldn't really see it that much, so I've got the coloured one on this time, so I kind of like that. And again, obviously that's my colours, red and yellow, so yeah, I think it's going to look good. Obviously the baffle will be coming straight out because we don't do baffles unless it's a track day. Basically with the baffle it's just an Allen key here and then you can pull the baffle out, but it's not just as simple as pulling it out, you need to get some pliers on it. But yeah, so we'll get it on. So the exhaust is fitted. It went dark pretty much halfway through, so we had to kind of rush through it. But obviously we've took the baffle out, got the logo there. But yeah, good to go. Downpipes, and we'll start it up. It's currently the next day because it went dark so fast, and I wanted to do a little walk around in the light, and I have got my helmet on, so sorry if the sound's not very good, but this is it in the daylight. I don't want to tell you too much, but it sounds unreal. I just can't get over it. It's so good. Another thing I wanted to touch on is this pyramid seat cowl focus that I got. I've not mentioned on YouTube yet, so yep, it's an SP painted seat cowl from Pyramid Plastics. And how good does that look? If we look, it follows the design. Can't really see it, but really nice glittery paint, but can't see it. And I also got the fly screen, the smallest one Pyramid do, in matte black. I think that looks great. It's just sort of tidied up the front a bit, which is what I wanted. I didn't want a big one at all, so I really like that as well. But anyway, we'll start it up. This is all we have for this video, but I will have a vlog coming up where I'll be riding it, so it'll be like my first vlog with the Akrapovic, or Akrapovic should I say. So yeah, look forward to getting that on to show you how good it sounds while riding.